I want all of it? Oh my God, beauties, I am so excited. This is the first time I get to like physically hold the product. Like I've seen the product before, like online and in demo mode, but now I can say I'm the face, like for real, the face. So I am holding, which is what I'm most excited about, the Mademoiselle ROUGE Serum with vitamin C and citrus stem cells. I can't wait to try this one. We also have the NOIR Detoxifying Charcoal Mask with 3 earth clays and activated charcoal. This is what's gonna clean out these impurities out of my skin, leave me glowing even more so than I am now. Mademoiselle Eye Corrector BLANC Serum. This is the one she says that I don't need right now, but you know what? I'm gonna start using it now, so I won't need it later. How about that? Look, that's what, can you see this? Like, make sure you can see, that's me. Do I get to try it? I think that's the part I'm looking forward to the most. Okay guys, you've heard us talk about the products and now you've seen them. Now it's your time to get in on this wonderful stuff and go to AyannaBeauty.com. And while you're there, use my promo code NAS from Queens. That's NAS from Queens. See ya.